Today's lesson we'll be talking about section 1.5, solving equations with solution sets. So first we need to be able to define the terminology that's going to set up for this unit. So an open sentence is a mathematical statement that contains algebraic expressions and symbols. So an example of that would be 3x plus 7. An equation is a sentence that contains an equal sign that looks like this. So, like the statement we had before, we can change that into an equation saying 3x plus 7 equals 13. Solve means for you to find the value for a variable that makes the sentence true. So in this case, 2 would be a value that you would find for x that would make this statement true. Solution is just the replacement value that makes your sentence true. So 2 is the solution. The replacement set is a set of numbers from which replacements for a variable may be chosen. So let's say I have a set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. I can choose to plug those numbers into my equation to see if they are a solution. A set is a collection of objects or numbers. So these numbers in a set, it's usually around braces, are just a group of numbers that you're just looking at. So like here I have -1, 3, 4, and 8. An element is a number in the set. So here 3 would be a number in the set. And then the solution set is the set of elements that make the sentence true. So like before, where we said to solve or find the solution of 2 would be a solution set for the equation that we were looking at before, 3x plus 7 equals 13. Now, what your assignment will ask you is they will give you a equation with a replacement set, and they will ask you to find the solution set. So basically all the values that work. So for example 1, I have the equation 2y plus 5 equals 13. And my replacement set is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I must plug in each of these numbers into my equation to see what is in my solution set. So let's start with 2. So 2 times 2 plus 5 equals 13. Now I just want to simplify the left side. So I get 4 plus 5, that gives me 9. 9 is not equal to 13, so 2 is not in my solution set. Try the next one, 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. And I get 11. So 11 is not in my solution set. Let's try 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 5 equals 13. That gives me 13. So that one works. Try 5. Gives me 10. I get 15. 15 is not in my solution set. Let's try 6. I get 17. that is also not in my solution set. So my solution set for this equation would be 4. Now example 2, you're doing the same thing, except you have a different equation and a different replacement set. So 28, let's try 0 first. So 3 times 0 is 0. One plus 0 is 1. So therefore I get 28 equals 4. That is not in there. Let's try 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. One plus 3 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That is not in my solution set either. Let's try 2. So then 3 times 2 is 6. That gives me 7. 4 times 7 is 28. And that one works. So 2 is. Let's try 3. Three times 3 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. So 4 times 10 is 40. And that is not in my set. So the only answer I have is 2. Okay? Have fun.